So many of videos have audio with them. So for those type of videos, if I were to go around and bring them in onto the timeline like this, then you'll be able to see that you get the video and the audio right here, just like this. So let's just go around and then zoom out right here. That is because you see a lot of these audio and video section right here as it's long. So if I were to go around and move out this video right here, you can see that I can go around and if I were to drag around this particular clip, the audio clip moves at the same time. That is because they are attached together, and by default they are part of the same file. But if I want to go around and work around with the audio separately, then what I can do is I can unlink the audio from video right here. So to do that, you can simply right click over here in audio or video and then click on unlink right here. You can see Control Shift and slash right here is a shortcut key as well. If you had to go around and click, then you can see that it has been unlinked right now. And now you can work around with the audio and the video separately. You can go around over here and then, let's say for example, resize the audio, place it wherever you want right here. And another thing that you can do is you can relink out the audio as well after you have made changes. For example, you can select these out right here and you can right click and link it out once more. And the audio, as you can see, has been linked with video once again. So let's just go around and unlink this out right here again. What you can also do is bring in another audio right here and you can right click, and once you select more audio, you don't have an option to link, as you can see right here. But let me just go around and do this. So let's just take this audio right here, and this is the original audio. You can select these two out right here and link it out. And once you do that, you can see that this video is now not linked to its original audio, but this audio right here. And that is what you can do as well. So that if you want a certain audio to be attached to the video, even if it is not originally a part of it, it does not go away when you move out the audio and video while you're editing it accidentally. So that is how you can unlink and relink video clip audio inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.